Hi, I'm Barbara Dixon, and I would like to introduce you to the art of book folding. Now, this is something you can do at any age, from kids through adults, and I think it's a lot of fun. And it's something you can do where you probably have an old book at home that you no longer read, no one looks at anymore, but you can't quite bear to part with. This is the perfect thing to do with those old books. You can make, this is a very simple one, and this is what I'm going to show you today. It just takes a couple of different folds, and it makes something nice to set on a bookshelf or someplace in your home just for some nice decoration. This one here is another thing you can do with a book. This one takes a little bit more, and we are going to concentrate on this one today, but I just wanted you to see that you can do more than one shape. There are actually several different things that you can do once you get the hang of doing the book folding. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have kind of the right size book for the project that you're doing. Any height of book is good. It just depends on how tall you want your object. This one, I used a fairly tall book. You can also use a regular mass market paperback, a trade paperback size. You can even use a great big oversized book, providing it has the correct number of pages. This one here has less than 200 pages. It's really not thick enough to do a good job on something like this. Conversely, this one has over 1,000 pages. By the time you would get more than halfway done with this, it's going to be too unwieldy and you're not going to be able to do anything with it anymore. So you don't want too few pages, you also don't want too many pages. So those two are out. Now, I have one this size. I would like to go a bit smaller for my next one. So I can choose one of these three. Since I really do want a smaller one, I'm going to go ahead and push the tall one over to the side and choose one of these. And size-wise, I think I would like to go down to the mass market. So all you have to do, you're going to open it up, make sure you get this front page out of your way, and you're going to end up trimming this. You don't have to do that to start with. Sometimes it's best to leave it intact to get started. Your first page, you're simply going to fold it down, make sure the top edge goes to the center and crease it. Then bring the bottom edge up and crease it the same way. You end up, it's going to overlap a little bit here, but you end up with a triangle shape. Your second page, you're going to pull that top page down again and crease it. Then you're going to take this side, your flat edge, and bring it over to the center like so. And you're going to have, it's going to look like this. So you have this one, next one is like this. And you are going to repeat that through the whole book. That's the only two folds that you need. So you're going to do fold over and then up from the bottom. Make sure you get your creases nice and crisp. So again, you've got your triangle shape. Next one, kind of push that page over, fold, and then fold in from the side. Again, you've got that. And it's not going to end up perfect. Trust me, I didn't get all of these perfect, didn't even get all the others perfect. That kind of helps make it look more, I don't know, rustic maybe, but it looks nice. When you're done, if you want, you can glue the back of the book together. You can see where I've cut the book, you can glue this together so that it is more rounded, or you can leave it just standing open and have it against the wall where it stands. You can spray paint these, make them look nice, make several, and have a nice display on your bookcase or coffee table or wherever you want. So, thank you.